Hey, I'm Matias. Welcome to Toast. We've got a new box here, and this should be a Samsung S9 Plus that a super fan of ours sent out. Big shout out to Laurent. Here we go. You know it's got warnings about lithium batteries. It's got to be good. Looks like standard issue Samsung box here. Oh, there we go. Let's put some of this stuff off of here. It looks like very similar to the last generation. Oh, they did move the fingerprint reader. I think that was on the side, so they moved that down a little bit. Interesting how they have the flash just kind of in the glass embedded. Same curvature, same brake lines. I guess that's a speaker, maybe a waterproof speaker hole or something. So that's new Samsung. So we're gonna get toasting and see what we can do with this bad boy.